O mind say ma munyi na atena say ma mde onwunu ma kwa boy de Blaqq arena jumede so me din e de aboaje gidi no safo betima from Mr. Kak abusu eto de bia abrabon tumi ye dia to the extent say utwo wani call left utwo wani call right woni nto bi anim abrabo atumi akwaji say ka kwan edu be bia ekwan da so kotin edu be bia portal so mkakra edu be bia ramp e wo ho me ka cho say baby wadu no ebia wo full ramp baako ebia baby wadu no porthole just two no wadu baby abrabon betimi akoso kama ma nyanto boase ka akoma to yem minim ho a wo fam die ne so ende se wo hwe video a me chew say bibia be kam enche wadu kwan a etine so e kwan a unhu ramp bia there is no potholes a bibia hwehwe bia akoma ebia um me ka say ha Kak arena ebio once again we din edo sajefo aboaje gido betimi from Mr. Kak. Now and the wine and any to drink komo and the young branch me san e wo show we some mo and so ye musicians ye ka upcoming almost so ye be show mu mo de o manu some to dwane hu de o mo ye o mo to ndwom se be rappers ye hani na be hu no last week ye hu Blaqq designer was show no so last 2 weeks ye hu Beetle vibes and the wine in a show no so answer be do mo de you fast that kese e ma WPJ stores. So open groceries, open toiletries, open provisions, called WPJ stores. Ubenya bibi was also share WPJ stores at Chakwan Tantra House, just opposite Net Flat Block B. Ubeti omu delivery 24/7. MrKakGH.com. Also an upon credible news and yet fake news. I can kind of call www.MrKakGH.com. A whole benya news, entertainment, sports, and politics. Bibi come. Open anything flyer, logo, backdrop. Banners BBBF about printing one make count for Vince Ham creation Vince Ham creation so we share me who the am say Vince Ham creation e create very nice printing and you'll be a we see pen e code be ubetimi enya Vince Ham creation that was 0542 913 178 for Vince Ham creation that was 0542 913 178 after you KT merchant make out so what Tantra Hills now will pay merchant obey transaction credible one amount KT so KT acquire Tantra Hills St. John's Market KT or yeah mobile money merchant now so 500 cities go so this can use of food be be and yes I in your phone be KT uska brana KT no transaction nyama come Madam Sandra unu kunu Pastor Sam baby amobia nchaka senkoma obi be also supporting from beginning and don't mind no be din come very interesting then come in the bed there sure you cut down deep down now bring it up the talent no ma bash no some be do mo bob driver to job and there no one branch me and someone ha me no mo makwa be the Blaqq arena show let's start here ha because in Akano ye chai traffic right side and see Basho wouldn't be
the stage name
who stage name
Tikiiii
Kobby Blaqq Slam good and see your Kobby Blaqq ewa your Tikiiii ewa and your Slam ewa now me Tikiiii the first day me who did me born Tikiiii and then the manager said, "Master, the name no be like that too."
Because even the slime stuff, they call them slime.
Even the
slime.
Okay, slime. So meaning, okay, forget. I'll get the pronunciation right.
Yes.
But my main starter also. Udi Tikiiii no, your real name. Real name. Okay. How my main, my will not say for Tikiiii. What be them? No, not such anything.
Oh, me share a name, no bad.
To full name then?
Full name Gabriel Talao Tikiiii.
Wow. But I thought say a nickname because it sounds like it.
Oh, most people now feel say a nickname.
How do you spell the Tikiiii? No? What spelling is it?
Tikiiii. But stage name the last I is 4.
4. Okay, so we use that same name on stage?
Yes, that's the name on stage, but just with extra 3 eyes.
Alright. And my member, so but also real name and kasa ide.
Yeah, my real name is Ivan
Squabna Ado. I could follow the bush phone count. Who stage name then?
Kobby Blaqq.
Kobby Blaqq.
Blaqq.
Wow. How do you spell Blaqq? BLACK.
BLAQQ.
Okay, that's nice. Slim.
Yeah.
You always speedy up. But you know, I dey feel you all, but then slim, I dey feel slim pass.
You cannot change from slime to slim.
You see, I get it so slime, but you see the how you call them, the spelling, you know, will be like say normal slime, but slime. I'll get them right. Forgive me. Alright, so your stage name be Slime.
Yeah, be
Then your real name be what?
Louis Mills.
Louis.
Yeah.
Wow. Mills. So get adore them Mills.
Yeah. So you know, we they run the country.
Yeah. Oh, it be so nice, nice.
Financial everything they want.
Alright, so let me start with. Make us start with you, Tikiiii. At what point did you start music? Is it as you were born? Is it some people who are your owner, your man, but who you own the man as who be shy?
Oh, me can't be shy because busy collaborating. Okay, ask me, you know, maybe I'm a pendulum.
Okay.
So me change him day in day out. Me tone him, but I mean him say, oh, meet me like acoustic across.
According to okay.
Basically that's it.
Basically, you know, who then started film collaborating, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And don't bend and now, if I'm now tattoo, you must sorry them and now say.
Oh, that be we are going to make a call, but me, I'm taking it serious. And I'm film. And I go in the Anintino. After practice, we won't cheat the
now won't call because of a new call because of the
but now me pending so but
only reason I call you
interest me on your side or Adriana side.
You shall pay Adriana pa.
Oh, Adriana, this will be happy, Adriana.
Is it like not Adriana new fear na say how?
Oh, Adriana will feel I won't say any Biana will be said be more.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you don't get that say be a party be there name results as
Machasi.
We say kola
yeah. Party then
without phoning a Kobby. It's not so
good feeling. We pay free pa. Kobby Blaqq. But I feel hell.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I feel everything all you guys they wear be on point.
Yeah.
So no time when I will start this all music.
I would say like fitting collaborating it's like music is something I've always wanted to do. Like everybody around me, like my friends, my family and stuff, they all know say like this is what I wanted to do. So I'll say it's the passion, like it's inside me. Like I started it. I think like this is what I'm destined to do.
That's music.
So again, that's how it started for me. Like ever since I was young, me and Kolania, my mom would tell you say I'm somebody I always react to. Like whenever I hear music playing and stuff, I start dancing and stuff. You get me? Yeah. So yeah, that's how I buy stuff.
With Tikiiii, no starting it there from church. What do you start to a club, me boy?
I want to do stuff. I think mine started from like school.
School?
Yeah.
That is high school?
Not high school.
Okay.
Like this primary school.
Alright.
Yeah, I attended Young Souls International School.
Alright.
Yeah, and we had something like a talent show. You get me? So I mostly involved myself into those things, like those entertainment shows and stuff. So I started building up, like coming up and stuff, and I discovered like real talent in me, and I knew like I could also do this, like I could also sing.
Alright, we'll get back to you. Let me go back to my man, Slime. This one, you see, they have made me didn't want to say my person made a mistake. But so far.
Oh, everything cool.
Charlie, you get swaggle. See I see the earrings I just say be real gold.
Oh, but we all your back. The one wants to be diamond.
But you your own like Odin wabo aso.
Yeah.
Wabo. When you say magnet.
No, no magnet.
It's in the camera bet you make close name close. So bet you dano aso na check.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Like we were already look at TV.
Okay. But maybe munina so I'll come to that. But me start with the earrings no. Like wasono I didn't know about wasono as bema.
Oh, you know, it's the lifestyle.
Fashion. Alright, like that. It's
lifestyle.
me I understand, it's fashion.
Yeah.
We all get it. But we name Slime, you know. I want you to explain a little bit.
Slime is actually an abbreviation.
Okay.
That street life. How do you call it? Oh shit.
Ope abbreviation for Odin
It's actually an abbreviation.
Okay, into S no A
That's
Shatawa.
street.
Okay, street. Okay, and the L.
The L is like life.
Life, and the I in the.
That's all. Like I'm kind of forgetting the whole thing right now.
Okay, all right, that's fine. But real name, you.
Louis Mills.
Louis Mills. Tikiiii started from church. Kobby Blaqq from school. You, where you start from?
I actually started from home. You know, I was in a family house.
Okay.
Then I was used to listening to like hip hop music and stuff, watching the hip hop music videos. I have cousins who mostly listen to, and
Okay.
my dad also listened to the likes of Akon and stuff.
Alright.
Yeah, so that's how like everything began. I was into hip hop a lot. I used to, sing along most of the time, but I didn't know like I could do anything myself. So it was along the line that I started picking up stuff.
Jenna been out here. We are hip hop.
Yeah, I do hip hop, trap, then a little bit of Afro.
A little bit. See, which one my freestyle? Hey, big. Let's say hockey to mommy.
Okay. Nigga Blaqq, he be talking, we were 10 toes. In my day one when we started, we got no shows. Then we got plans trying to come up with a studio. We started working, then this bro came in with the dough. Hey, tap, 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 then we started with the microphone. Say that his mama, she be helping, although we so grown. Can't afford no bills, and his daddy, he be helping though. And we both in fast school, anyway, we make it true. Like,
wow. Charlie, you get voice.
Yeah.
You get voice.
Thank you.
You get crazy, but I feel you.
That was actually our story though.
Okay, so it's a real story.
It's a real story.
Yeah, it's
a real story.
Everything you heard.
Let me come to this. Are you guys group? And I said, hey, we a group.
Not necessarily.
Most people ask this, but me, I'm not going to say we be group. Like, we are not a group actually, but like, and I wouldn't say we are a movement too, but then.
But maybe be a boom.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Like not just in music, like outside music, see, be a boom.
And the way we met, like destiny, something like that.
Then why don't you guys form group?
Okay, there's the perception is like
though.
Let me listen to.
Like people in groups, I know along the line they split up or something because of basic things. So maybe that stigma is there, like when you come as a group.
No, me, if you ask my beliefs, because we will talk about a new song on just this Friday. You release your new song, you better come watch them. You are listening, it was dope, and you featured these two guys on it.
Yeah.
So me, I feel say you guys can form group, but then you better know that side. Let's talk more about you. Oko High School in Slime.
St. Paul's Boys College.
Saint-
Adenu, Gotari.
Okay, where your course going?
Adi Science.
Okay, you do sign for school.
Yeah.
Alright, that's nice. So who you here been?
That was 2018.
2018.
But coming back to the name Slime.
Okay.
That's street life intelligence and everything.
Money is everything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the full
For Slime.
Slime. No. That's nice. But who are your parents? Your parents are
My dad is Theophilus Aite Mills. And my mom is Helena Doji Mills. Or let's say that either the Doji or the Aite.
Kobby Blaqq. Musically, mine are inspired to do music.
I wouldn't say like somebody. I have people I listen to, though, and I have people I love to listen to, and I love their music. But I wouldn't say there's somebody I look up to or something like that. It's just like my environment, the vibe around me. That's what like inspires me to like sing and stuff and do music.
Okay, so the things around you will inspire
Everything
you.
around me,
Alright.
like I'll go in and come in, everything, like my surrounding, like things, the people I see, the vibe I have with them and everything else, like that's what inspires me. But I wouldn't see there's this somebody like, let's say I listen to Stoneboy and I get inspired. Despite I listen to some of them and I feel like, yeah, Charlie, this music, I for do music. But I wouldn't say there's one particular person per se that
I'll
inspires.
inspire.
Yeah.
Alright, Tikiiii, how did you guys meet? I want you to explain. Like a band saying I'm more to Musha because I know someone in your back or maybe. So share me. A band saying I'm going to
Okay, we had this friend. He's now in London. He's not in Ghana
Okay.
anymore. I was actually rather with him at first. We used to do everything together, record together and everything. But then he left, so it was just left with me. But before he left, we used to work in a studio, but then we were sacked. We were sacked from that studio. So
you were sacked from the studio?
Yes.
I don't want to some of bills and answer there.
Oh,
Long story.
long story.
Alright, we'll get to that one day. Okay.
Yes, so like we were sacked. So when we got sacked, we were looking for a place to record. And then to a friend told us, oh, these two guys have a studio set up, but then they were looking for a plugin, but then they didn't have that plugin. So they then called the friend of mine who is outside now. They called him, and then he was also complaining. So then I think everything died from the studio. We were going to the studio for a while, and then one day I was there. Another friend of theirs, he went to the same school with them. He called me that he wants to put me on a song. He wants to record me, so I should come to go to this guy.
Okay.
So
that's how come you guys met. And okay.
So when I got there, I met this guy, and then I met them there. But then we didn't really vibe there.
On the first day.
Yes.
Why should I vibe?
It's like
especially with this guy.
First day is always it's
why?
more.
Okay. First day now Mushia no. When you want to down vibe until after the first day no Mushia went Fabio.
Well, after the first day when they had
I think it was at the studio again, like
It was at the
you guys-
studio.
yeah, we came again,
Yeah.
and then when we record like EBBFA like.
Alright, so Slime, you do hip hop.
Yeah, I do.
Kobby Blaqq. What's your music genre?
I do more of Afrobeat.
More of Afrobeat.
Yeah, I do
Wow.
more of Afro, but I can say I do anything, like anything.
Dancehall, raga.
Anything
That's
music.
like we
I
do
just,
anything.
My aim
Okay.
is just to make something that a co-assumer, like when you listen, like you enjoy what
You
I do
enjoy.
and stuff. Yeah, but I'm based on the Afro. much.
Alright. Tiki, which music genre do you do?
Me personally, after I do the balancing between hip hop and Afro.
Okay.
Hip and Afro.
Alright, it's like more most interesting hip hop. And your own self freestyle on mommy. But I want Kobby Blaqq to also give me a freestyle. I person Kobby Blaqq to say her mommy. Just for some film, Kobby Blaqq. Say you can crowd. And I'll say the very shit. Alright, so we'll get back to that. You better call Kobby Blaqq off for freestyle later on. What is your Slim? You say what school doing for level of Slime, right?
Yes,
You do the shower tomorrow. Once I answer and school upon it, because they all feature only, but don't worry, we'll get them. What level of education are they?
High school.
Okay, won't to answer.
No.
But what dream say one day you go back to school?
That's what I can't really say right now, but who knows? Anything can happen.
But school is not in your plans now.
Nah, not right now.
You see, music.
Yeah, so I told my parents after high school that this is what I really want to focus on right now. I don't want to start working two sides, like
You
Yeah,
want to focus on music.
yeah, for now. And
But
they were
Blaqq.
cool. They were cool.
Your parents were cool. Slime.
Yeah, they were very cool. I was surprised though.
Well, our
Because
parents are really supportive. Though.
talking about my dad alone, I was expecting him to be,
To be someone like he'll be against it or something,
Yeah.
but he wasn't.
He didn't even say anything. He was cool with it.
How do you finance your music? Do you have any side hustle or do you have managers? Who is going to answer that? Let me give that one to Kobby.
I wouldn't say we have like
Managers. Okay.
but we have some couple of people that
Support you.
That's
beautiful.
like they see the talent in we.
That's nice.
And they understand what we do, because sometimes you have to take it takes some kind of level, like some kind of people to understand what you do before they can help you. So they understand what we do and they love what we do, so they try to aid us sometimes. Yeah.
Alright, so Tiki, I want me person won't come with parents once and come on, no papa, my wine.
Mommy didn't marry him, and Papa didn't give it.
David.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going for this year.
Oh, Papa outside, and I'm not so.
Donkey boy. Charlie. Oh, Chile, someone feel the line at someone feel you was. Hey, as a view of okay, Kobby Blaqq, also parents. I don't know if I've already asked, but then who parents are mine?
My dad is Mr. William Ado.
Mr. William Ado.
William Kweku Ado.
Alright.
Yeah, and my mom is Gifty Tamaklo Ado.
Like Omo Tiasi, right?
Yeah, they are
Alright, so big shout out to them. And you better wrap it up. But then don't say Kobby Blaqq freestyle or say fan shit the next day. Me person my hand be with the freestyle.
Oh, no problem, I can.
You can do with a freestyle for us.
No problem.
Alright, just something short, don't stress. Me per se audience need feel you. What I say. So Charlie spit it.
Okay. Me dream you I can't sleep, yeah. Me jam me so now I can't see, yeah. See what the guys they be searching for, you can't eat, yeah. Give it to me slow down low. You go make a man go low. China me nyabrio, yeah.
Charlie, big ups. Hey. Charlie,
The vocal.
you the train, like, do you guys train on your voice?
Maybe he does a little bit.
But he doesn't tell you guys, so train and answer. You mean to say?
Nah, I just said me was trainer, but sometimes I watch like this YouTube videos and stuff. Like, yeah.
Tiki, one more to voice now.
Oh, we listen another time.
But see, I don't even need to listen to his voice.
Yeah, sure.
Mutu no crack tells me say, honestly, he's a monster in music.
This guy is
Like he rich.
rich.
Wow.
Talking
Wow.
about vocal, like he's the senior.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
Charlie, I feel you. But see, to me, if you ask me, I'll say, me a group to be best. See, let's talk about your new music. What's the title of the music?
Tell me what's up.
Tell me what's up. What? Charlie, what inspired that title? Tell me what's up. Hey, you be like something. Tiki, what inspires that? Tell me what's up. I will be the cabin on first scanning bar.
Tell me what's up, man. It be kind of some. It be love. I don't know, but like it be love song in a way.
Okay.
Me as I can be more into that, like kind of love songs.
Okay, my first one. Tell me what's up. Just want to hear some small verse before. Tell me what's up. Or make Slime give his verse.
Okay.
You feature Slime, right?
Yeah.
And you feature Kobby Blaqq.
Yeah.
That is beautiful.
No, he should. We've already brought something, you know.
So,
He should.
Tiki, you be like you become outside small, but you look somewhere. Look like just look at me. Then give me the freestyle.
Tell me what's up. I keep on calling, but you never mind. I tell you who I've got a thing for you that's trying me. Girl, I know you pricey. I wanna put you in a jet and fly you straight out of the country, yeah. Girl, can't you see I can get you up my mind?
Whoa.
I mean, money back up, okay.
Tell I feel. You give him back up.
I didn't give him back up. You are very comfortable. You shy boy.
Kobby Blaqq, how was your result in school? High school. What is that?
Oh gosh.
Oh, this question.
What's a Kobby man?
Oh, this question. I didn't actually.
No, don't call men mommy great, you know. Like how was it? Describe it. Good, bad, better.
Oh, it was okay though.
It was okay.
Yeah, but like it was okay. I would say, to my opinion, like, I would say it was okay. But like my dad didn't explain what like good sound. Yeah.
Slime.
Yep.
How far?
Definitely.
Oh no, but like truth being told, I didn't check mine
Yeah. Oh,
since 2018.
I don't even say you own person you
Nah, within the school fees. Yeah.
Oh, come on, fam.
No,
No,
it's Kobby Blaqq
like-
telling the truth. Don't do fees. You don't
Oh, they went to the same school. They go the
Yeah,
same
we went
school.
to
Yeah, we went to the same school.
You
Actually,
know, like boys' school and stuff. When you go to school, let's say you've become something different,
Yeah.
like you've done before. And talking about the school fees, you know, I wasn't the only person to actually did something bit of that, but like no, as much as you know, he's taking it.
Okay.
Like yeah, but I didn't check my result until now.
You checked yours, right?
Oh yeah.
It was okay.
Oh yeah.
So you did well.
Yeah.
All right. Me per se, you see, you say your country be more with the kind of more kind of appearance now. People will criticize you in a way.
Yeah, sure.
Moko sorry. When they answer that question, man, slime.
Yeah, we do.
Where do you guys
we're
church?
Christians, but it's been long we've been to church, you know.
Why?
Okay, I'll start to talk on my behalf, you know. I believe, you know, you don't got to go to church, you know, for God to know like you've got a clean heart and stuff.
You can
That's my
do it
belief.
at home.
Oh yeah, you can't.
So still go.
He listens to you anywhere you are.
All right, that's powerful. The reason why I asked that question is more earrings, no, because I know perfectly well. So I'll call Pentecost and create 2 as I check. Because me can say Pentecost.
Yeah, but I don't go now.
You don't go.
I'm into Catholic.
Alright.
Since we are first.
Me the Kwabna, legendary Kwabna example. He brought out a song, a particular song be on that song, no, Pentecost for Dinasu Tuna saying. So with your putting on your earrings, no, I was thinking maybe anything among choir, sorry.
Oh, no,
Not that.
But how do people see you outside? Almost criticizing in a way.
We don't actually like get those critics. People actually love it. Like when they see you, Charlie, nice piece.
Oh, okay. People love this stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, that's nice. That's nice. But Tiki, do you think you are smart?
Oh yeah.
You think you say, oh yes, like rate it 1 to 10. Rate your smartness.
10.
10. That's powerful. So they can't give you just one question. Then with that question we testify, say, oh you're smart and now you're smart. Alright. So me so question, right? How many books do you have in the Bible?
Charlie.
Wow.
How far?
Wow.
Me I can't say I'm sorry. I'm not sure I'm sorry. Me may be sorry. I'm not sure. I'm still talking on his behalf.
Yeah, but I didn't say.
No,
I said, wait,
Hold on.
you Christian.
Nice
yeah?
question.
Hold on.
I said
Nice
you Christian,
question.
but it's been
Slime. I'm coming. Slime.
That's what I said.
Slime.
Nah, this way they started denying Jesus Christ.
Slime. No, Kobby Blaqq. Just a minute. Slime, I did come. Tiki,
Yeah, boys.
just give me your answer. I know say Oko Sunday school, right? We all went to say Sunday school. This thing was taught when we were kids.
How many?
Books. How many books do we have in the Bible?
I don't know. I come for whether if you be listen. I'll give you the answer.
Alright.
Whether it be, I don't know if it be New Testament then Old Testament together will be 66
Together.
books, or only one Testament will be 66.
So what be your answer? You they give me answer. You ask me question.
The 66 if I'm not sure, but you 66.
Charlie, big up. You get it right. Big
Oh,
up,
shit,
bro. Big up. Wow, 66 books in the Bible. That's beautiful and it's perfect.
Oh, me, I don't go to church.
All right, let me switch to slime. Slime. Do you think you are smart?
Yeah,
Rate your smartness.
like 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. So what start with E, but contains only one letter? What start with the letter E? E, but contains only one letter.
Only one letter.
8.
Hold on, slime.
What starts with E? Contains only one letter.
Yeah, it start with E, but it contains only one letter.
I.
You have three chances, so 2 chances more.
Only one letter. Wow.
Are we part of this?
Nah,
it's
like just
for-
me.
Yeah, just for
Only
slime.
one letter.
Where is your question? If your question. Nobody sweat. It is
Nah,
sweat.
come on.
It is sweat.
I can't.
So should I give you the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to help?
Oh, no.
Oh,
It's envelope. It be envelope. Envelope. It starts with E, but so we bro envelope now be my letter. One nation.
Nah, there can be more than a letter inside.
A letter inside. Yeah.
There can be more than
It's
one
not
letter in an envelope.
envelope is not like and just say
Precisely like just one
just
letter.
one.
is-
But-
yeah.
But mostly.
Mostly it is
Yeah,
one.
mostly it's
So
one.
envelope. So it starts with E and it has one letter in it.
Yeah.
Alright, so Kobby Blaqq. This is for you. Do you think you are smart?
Yeah.
Rate your smartness.
Very 9.
9
Yeah.
over 10.
Wow.
Wow. It means say you are
Sucking.
super.
And as smart as them to this
It's
two.
surprising.
I'm not
But he said
10.
10 on 10.
Alright. Can you tell 3 consecutive days without naming any of the days of the week? Like
Sugar 9.
Over 3 consecutive days without calling the name of the days, like Monday, Tuesday.
Shouldn't call them.
Don't call it, but give me 3 days
Like consecutively.
consecutively.
Wow.
That's for Blaqq.
But that's for Blaqq. Stop thinking it.
Wow.
Prove your 9, bruv.
This is hard shit. I don't like the question again.
Tell 3 consecutive days without naming any of the days of the week.
Wow.
That's half, huh?
I know the answer.
Good. How you keep on? I want Blaqq to spit it out.
Oh, nah, you will help me.
There can be. Can say you don't know what I say.
Actually tried one. Feel like it's okay.
Alright, Tikiiii.
I'm not sure, but
Okay, don't worry, just give me.
today, Saturday, Sunday.
Today,
Saturday,
Sunday. Today, Saturday. I'll be Saturday be the day. What boarding back home?
But you say weekday. I be Saturday no the week inside.
You say you copy or you stretch.
I'm not to copy anything. What I copy?
Oh no, you can't see from what I'm going.
The
answer.
You get it today right.
You get today right, but Saturday be a day name. Until
Okay.
so today,
Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow.
Today, tomorrow, a day after tomorrow. Charlie be smart guy. But be today, tomorrow, yesterday. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. But Charlie, big up.
Yeah, you force.
You force. So quickly.
Green means go.
But you know,
Quickly, Slime. We come wrap up the interview.
Okay.
Give me your social media handles if so people saw reaching out to you on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. You have many handles.
Okay, on Instagram is the Slime Gram, DASLIMEGRAM.
Okay.
Then on Twitter is the Slime Day.
Any contact to reach out to? If someone wants to reach out to you personally.
Yeah, I think my Gmail.
Your Gmail.
Yeah.
And what's your Gmail?
slimegod4@gmail.com.
Again?
slimegod4@gmail.com.
Alright. Kobby Blaqq,
Yeah.
your social media handles.
on Instagram is Kobby Blaqq, Kobby_Blaqq. That's KOBBY_BLAQQ.
Okay.
Then on YouTube, it's also like Kobby Blaqq Music.
Okay.
Yeah. Then on Twitter, that's Kobby Blaqq.
Alright. Kitty, your social media handles.
Oh, me, my Instagram be _.Tikiiii. The last I is 4 eyes.
Okay.
And then Twitter be the same thing.
The same thing.
Yeah, and Snapchat, night knows best.
Night know best.
Knows best.
Knows best. Alright. Your final words to your fans watching right now. And give me, I want you to tell the big men watching right now. As an underground artist, we all know, say, it's very hard because support member. So what do you expect to do for you? Now the final words at all. Then we Kobby Blaqq to give us his final words, then we end it.
Oh, when you make somebody just help you, just believe in me and just invest in me, you're not going to disappoint the person.
That's all.
Alright.
No disappointment.
Slime, will you add something to the closing up no name wrap here?
He said,
Okay.
Before we get done, I want to give a shout out to Benjamin Doublets.
Alright, go ahead.
He's the dude who's been holding us down since day one,
Big shout out to him.
helping us like financially and stuff, and we can actually stay with him like.
Okay,
At
so
the
no
moment,
be
yeah,
he
helps us with
I'll be
everything.
shout to you, man.
Big
Which
shout
didn't
out
be
to
a day.
Benjamin Doublets.
Alright, Benjamin Doublets. Alright.
And shout out to Solomon. J Junior.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be maybe with my final words, right? Thank you very much for passing through, man. I really appreciate you coming, man. Alright. God bless. It's on Kak Arena Jumedi na Hanedi Jumedi na ABC. Nti akese enkomo bibia o support yen, obibia o support Kak Arena ne Kak TV, mrkakj.com. God bless everyone. Na me show bia asada kase enkoma WPJ stores, Tikiiii. Omo mutumi bachu na Kobby Blaqq, Slime. God bless you, Samo bachu. It wasn't easy because these are upcoming musicians. Yes, sir. So show ma follow them. Look at the voice that it came out. I'm a freestyles of mine was very, very nice. Follow them, show more content, the helper or the manager will be my bomb could be in your contact list. Who knows? And says, show my bomb, I'm support some come. This is the Kak Arena show. Medin Edo Sadio for Abuaji Gideon. You can follow me on Instagram at Kak_Mister. On Twitter, Kak_Mister. Facebook Mr. KakGH.com. Mamika says, open mason jars. Open anything bottle. Go to accessories by AJ. On Instagram, na pick up or packages out per say be obi your birthday obi celebrating a birthday obi be na per say o me say home men show or bro be your nice package I'll be feeling call Instagram accessories by AJ_packages or we be amount Bernard's cocktail oh your birthday biom open so be ambassador of beverages quality one Bernard cocktail our Instagram wait me reach out to Bernard's cocktail our 0579 619966 0579619966 or more quality beverages more birthday parties naming ceremonies come on. This is where we end the show. Once again you can call Mr. Car until next week. Until I can see come on, my cameraman come here with me. The crown big ass to you, man. And before say sanko for yinchi and come here if you by my kai. Big ups to me cameraman. So to me that time, Emma will be at me cross come you be a bit my way. Big ups to KT, big ups to Obama, big ups to Wahab, big ups to Baby Yente, no more my Baha, Aponche. Good, big ups to you, man. We are grateful. You are great to me come much. So until next week, we say bye bye.